In this tutorial, we will cover how to create your first datasync project. To begin, open Datasync. In this example, we will be syncing data from a CSV file to a new and then an existing SQL table. To connect to the CSV, either choose Connect Data Source or drag and drop the file from the File Explorer onto the data source. Now go to Tools, Create SQL Table, and follow through the wizard to connect your SQL server. Choose the server and then choose the database to store the table. Type in a name for your table and click Finish. You will then be given an option to save the connection to your chosen database in the connection library. Type in a name for the connection and click OK. Now configure the schema map, ensuring that a unique key column has been selected and the data types are all correct for the columns. Once you are happy, click Compare A to B. Here we can see that we have 400 records to be added. Once you are ready to sync, click Synchronize and then Start. To check that the sync was successful, run the comparison again, and as we can see, there are no differences between the source and target. Now let's sync a set of updates to an existing SQL table. Open a new datasync project and connect to the CSV file by drag and dropping the file from the File Explorer. Then connect your SQL table either by choosing Connect Data Source or locating your table in the connection library if you have saved the connection. Right-click onto the table and choose Connect to Target. Configure the schema map ensuring a key column is selected and then run the comparison. This time we can see that there are 9 updates. The records to be changed are highlighted yellow. We have 100 records to add and 389 records showing as deletions, which are the records found in the target but not in the source. Deletions are disabled by default, so these will not be included in the synchronization. Click Synchronize and Start to begin the sync. If we then run the comparison again, we can see that only the deletions are left and the sync was successful.